Chair. Used for sitting in homes, offices, and dining areas. Table. Used for eating, working, or placing items. Sofa. A comfortable seating option for living rooms. Bed. Used for sleeping or resting in bedrooms. Pillow. Provides head and neck support during sleep. Blanket. Used for warmth and comfort while sleeping or resting. Curtain. Covers windows to block light or enhance privacy. Rug. Covers the floor for warmth, comfort, or decoration. Lamp. Provides light in rooms, often for reading or working. Shelf. Used for storing or displaying items such as books or decorations. Clock. Used for checking and keeping track of time. Mirror. Used for personal grooming or decoration. Fan. Provides ventilation or cooling in rooms. Air conditioner. Used to cool or heat rooms for comfort. Fridge. Stores food and keeps it fresh by cooling. Microwave. Heats or cooks food quickly. Oven. Used for baking, roasting, and cooking food. Stove. Used for cooking food, often with pots and pans. Dishwasher. Cleans dirty dishes automatically. Cabinet. Used for storing kitchen items, clothes, or other household items. Wardrobe. Used for storing clothes, shoes, and accessories. Drawer. A compartment for organizing and storing items. Iron. Used for removing wrinkles from clothes. Laundry basket. Holds dirty or clean clothes for washing or storage. Broom. Sweeps and cleans floors of dirt and debris. Mop. Cleans floors, especially for spills or wet cleaning. Vacuum cleaner. Removes dirt and dust from floors and carpets. Trash can. Holds household garbage for disposal. Bucket. Used for carrying water or cleaning supplies. Towel. Used for drying hands, face, or body. Soap. Used for cleaning hands, body, or household surfaces. Toothbrush. Used for cleaning teeth. Toothpaste. A paste used with a toothbrush to clean and maintain teeth. Shower. Used for bathing under running water. Sink. A basin used for washing hands, dishes, or cleaning items. Toilet. Used for disposing of human waste. Laundry machine. Automatically washes clothes. Blender. Used for blending or mixing ingredients for food or drinks. Kettle. Used for boiling water quickly. Cutlery. Utensils such as knives, forks, and spoons used for eating. Plate. Used for serving or eating food. Bowl. Used for serving soups, salads, or cereals. Glass. Used for drinking water, juice, or other beverages. Cup. Used for drinking tea, coffee, or other hot drinks. Tray. Used for carrying and serving food or drinks. Napkin. Used to clean hands or mouth while eating. Cookware. Pots and pans used for cooking food. Chopping board. Used for cutting and chopping vegetables, fruits, or meat. Knife. Used for cutting food or other items. Grater. Used for shredding or grating cheese, vegetables, etc. Peeler. Used for peeling the skin off fruits or vegetables. Spatula. Used for flipping or spreading food while cooking. Tongs. Used to grip and lift food while cooking or serving. Colander. Used for draining water from boiled food, like pasta or vegetables. Measuring cups. Used to measure ingredients for cooking or baking. Rolling pin. Used to flatten dough for baking. Whisk. Used to beat or mix ingredients like eggs or batter. Mixer. Used to mix or knead dough or batter for cooking. Toaster. Used for toasting bread or bagels. Pressure cooker. Used for cooking food quickly using steam pressure. Grill. Used for grilling meat or vegetables. Thermos. Used to keep liquids hot or cold for extended periods. Ice tray. Used to make and store ice cubes. Can opener. Used for opening canned food. Bottle opener. Used to open bottles with caps or corks. Corkscrew. Used to open wine bottles. Ladle. Used for serving soups or stews. Brush. Used for cleaning dishes or scrubbing surfaces. Dustpan. Used with a broom to collect dust and debris. Cloth hanger. Used for hanging clothes in wardrobes. Sponge. Used for cleaning dishes or surfaces. Measuring scale. Used to weigh ingredients or items. Jar. Used for storing food, spices, or liquids. Bottle. Used for holding and storing liquids. Flower vase. Used for displaying flowers as decoration. Photo frame. Used for displaying photos for decoration. Alarm clock. Used to wake people up at a set time. Curtain rod. Used to hang curtains over windows. Cushion. Provides comfort on sofas or chairs. Doormat. Used at entrances to wipe shoes clean. Key holder. Used for organizing and storing keys. Room heater. Used to warm a room during cold weather. Humidifier. Adds moisture to the air to improve comfort and health. Water purifier. Used to purify drinking water. Fire extinguisher. Used to put out small fires in emergencies.